back to my channel Glam Up with Sia. Hope you guys are doing amazing. And guys, if you're watching me for the first time, hi you all, I'm Sia. I make content related to fashion, beauty, makeup, reviews, lifestyle, hauls, food, travel, etc, etc, etc. So guys, if you all are interested in all these things, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and stay notified whenever I post a new video. And yes guys, do follow me on Instagram as well. So all my styling, whatever products I show you guys over here, the styling part is done on my Instagram. So guys, without further ado, let's get started with the video. I want to tell you very soon about this video is because I am super excited for this video as well. No, it is not a Shein video. You guys think whenever I say I'm super excited, it is a Shein video, but no. Today, like how you all read the thumbnail, you all have seen the title and the thumbnail, you'll get to know it is a Hebios video. So you guys loved my previous Hebios video, and those who haven't watched my Hebios video or are new here, I'll be linking it. You can just click on the I button and you can check my previous Hebios video, the review and the lookbook both. So Hebios is a site, like I'll run you guys to the site again.
Okay guys, so this is the Hebios site, like it's hebios.com, and there are so many different options over here. Like you can see wedding gowns, bridesmaid gowns, mother dresses, and there are many other options as well. You can even have accessories, shoes and stuffs over here. It is absolutely amazing. Yes, again it is little on a pricier side, but like you can see, I'll run you through the prom gown section. Like the gown which I am wearing in this video, I am showing you guys, it's from the prom gown section, and you can see there's some sale going on, the June sale as well, so you can avail some extra discounts and stuff. So like you can see, there are this amazing looking gowns which you can actually get it customized according to your choice. You can get it done in different color, different sizes. You can add anything, whatever you like. Like if you see this beautiful gown over here, like this beautiful gown can be made in so many different colors. Like they have a color chart over here. Like if you can see, there are many different colors in it, as well as there is a separate size chart for you guys. You can get it customized according to you, as well as you can see there are different measurements been given so that you can be very specific with the measurements and stuffs.
Okay, so as you guys saw, Hebios is a site where you get lovely gowns. You get prom gowns, you get lovely wedding gowns, bridesmaid gowns, the mommy of the bride gowns, and different kinds of gowns, dresses and stuffs, like for your pre-wedding photo shoot, post-wedding photo shoots and everything. There are lovely gowns, there are shoes, there are accessories, like everything under one roof for your festivals, for your functions, for your weddings and stuffs. So they are so good, I'm telling you. They are little on the pricier side compared to the other sites. The gowns which I'm going to show you today, they sent me 2 more gowns. Last time they sent me 1, the review I gave you all. So this time they sent me 2 gowns for reviewing. So let's get started without further ado, because it's going to be a long one. I am not going to wear them right now because it's like I'm shooting this video in the morning time and I need someone to help me to wear these gowns, and my husband and son both are fast asleep, so I cannot wake my husband up now to ask me to make him wear the gown. So guys, this is the first gown. Okay. Like as you can see, it comes with this lovely detailing in the front. It is sheer guys, so if you all are thinking it comes with some lining part or thing, inner thing, no, it is sheer. It just gives you this covers on your bust, that is all, these padding on the bust, that is all, but there is no underwire. So if you all are someone like me with heavy bust, you all need to wear a stick-on bra under this. But yes, it looks so pretty. This is how the back looks. Actually, I'll just put on the zip and show you guys how it actually looks. The zipper also, like you saw, it is so smooth. There is no issues with the zipper or anything, but you have to be careful with the beads part. Like if you see backside also, it's like complete sheer, like it's see-through. I'll just show you guys like this. It is very see-through. Okay, you all need to wear something proper inners inside if you all don't want your skin to be visible. So this is how this dress is. It's nice and flowy. It comes with these nets in the side, and there is the center part. Like if you can see, the work goes all the way down, so it looks so elegant, and there are this extra flowy thing in the side which makes your gown look nice and bouncy from the side. I'll be putting up pictures in the side as well so that you all can see, and the lookbook is coming up pretty soon, so guys stay tuned. So this is how this gown is. I so love it. I especially love the sleeve part. Like if you can see, just look at the detailing. It is so soft, and if you all are thinking these are all pricky things, no guys, not at all. They are so soft on your skin, you don't even feel that you all have worn something which has a lot of detailing on it. It is super pretty, a very elegant gown, a must have, I say. So beautiful. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the next one. I hope I'll be able to carry it on my own. This one is a pretty heavy one. It is a beautiful black gown. It comes with this high-low pattern. Again, let me just put on the zip so that I can show you guys how it actually looks. Okay, so yes, the zipping is done. So yeah guys, this is the gown. It has a nice flowy tail at the back. It is nice and flowy at the back but short in the front. It is a nice high-low gown, like you can see. This is the front part over here, and then the flow goes on and on at the back. It looks so gorgeous. Check out my photos on Instagram. So those that are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram right away so that you don't miss on any pictures what I post of these gowns. They are so beautiful. And guys, look at this net. If you can see the lace part on the net, it is so amazing. They have double net so that the net don't get damaged or it's not worn off soon. And this thing over here, it's a little transparent. In this gown, I guess you don't need any support. It comes with wire, with proper cups and pads. It is so good. This is the back of the dress. Like you can see, it comes with a nice zip. You can see it clinches to your waist. It gives you a nice hourglass shape. It looks very elegant. It's an off-shoulder dress, and yes, I love it. But it is a little heavy. If you all are someone who don't like to wear heavy stuff, then this is not for you. But it is a heavy gown. But yeah, it is worth it. You know, when something is pretty, it's worth wearing it. If it's heavy or light, I'm someone who is like that. You know, I love trying on things. And for me, if something looks good, I have to wear it. Let it be heavy, let it be light or anything. And this is so pretty. I just love this flow, you know. And actually, I shot a lookbook before I did this part. So yesterday when I was actually shooting for the lookbook, there were ladies passing by and they were like, wow, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. They actually loved these gowns a lot. So yes guys, this is all. It comes with a nice satin finish, a silky thing. You have to maintain these gowns very well. It comes with a nice thick inner, like if you can see. So it's not at all see-through. It is an amazing gown. Let me just keep it aside. It's pretty heavy. Okay, so that was so these are these two lovely gowns. I absolutely love them. So if you guys liked it, do check out Hebios. I'll be mentioning this gown links in my description box. What am I saying? Description description box below, so that you all can check them out. You guys will love Hebios. Go through their site. You'll absolutely love these gowns. So guys, my lookbook is coming up pretty soon on these gowns. So stay tuned, stay connected, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and stay notified whenever I post a new video. And you guys, those that are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram right away so that you can see the pictures of these gowns, me wearing these gowns and styling them. So guys, yes, that is all for today's video. Hebios is a big thumbs up from me. So if you all liked it, do let me know in the comment section below which gown did you like more, the beige one or the black one. I like actually both of them. They are both unique. The style is amazing. One is a chic gown and one is a lovely black gown. You know, I love both of them. So guys, yes, let me know in the comment section below how you guys like this video and the gowns from Hebios. And if you all have any questions and queries, you can DM me on Instagram or you can leave your questions in the comment section below. So guys, that is all for today's video. I love you all. I'll see you super duper soon in my next video. Until then, bye.